Cyan Arrow Conversational Chatbot. On the Chatbots tab, click Create New Chatbot. Enter name and click Continue. Under the Appearance subtab you can set the appearance of the chatbot. Enter the initial messages. Your visitors will see these at the start of the chat. Set the frequent queries. These are the questions that are most commonly asked by your visitors. Select the theme, position of the chat bubble and user's message background/text color of the chatbot to suit your website. And hit save. In the Data Source subtab you can upload the data for your chatbot. You have options to upload PDF, text, docs files. You can also use website's content as the data source. And you can input the data in form of query and answer as well. Always remember, the quality of data in data sources will directly impact the ability of chatbot to respond with correct information. In the Settings subtab, change the visibility to Public. This will allow you to add the chatbot to your website. To add this chatbot to our website, open the Embed subtab, copy the given script, and paste it in your website's page where you want the chatbot to appear. And there it is. Your visitors now have a whole new way to connect and engage with your website while getting all their questions answered related to your products or services. I hope you enjoyed this intro to Cyan Arrow Conversational Chatbot. Visit cyanarrow.com today and get your own AI-powered chatbot. Cheers!